friends, today we just see how to read digital signal using ESP8266. So for that purpose, we just go to developer zone, create new template. In this, I just name it digital read. So I am using ESP8266, connection type Wi-Fi. Just click on done. Now you just create a data stream for this. New data stream. My data stream should be virtual pin. So just I'm over here, I'm using V0 pin. So just name it, let's say D1 or D0. D0, create. So right now D0 is there. I just connect D0 with plus 5 volt or plus 3 volt and ground volt and ground, so that I just acquire when it is connected with 3 volt, we just get high, and when we just connect it with ground, we just acquire 0 or low signal. Okay, so now I just go to the web dashboard. Over here I just drag the input state or LED. So I just drag this LED over here. You just increase the size. So right now this is the LED. Just click over here. You just select the data stream. The color may be red. You just select, save it. Now you just check the output of the D0 pin over this D0 LED. Okay, now just go to device. Before this, you just need to save it also. Right now, as you see, I forgot to save it. So again, I need to create new data stream, virtual pin. So this is my D0. This is D0. Create. Now web dashboard. Go to the LED. Just drag over here. Increase the size. We just change the color also. I'm just putting red over here. Save it. Save it from here. Now it is saved. So go to the device, create new device. From template, you just select the template name, create. Right now, this is my authentication ID, template ID and template name. So just copy this, go to the code. Over here, you just paste it. So this is the same. My Wi-Fi ID password is same. So over here there is a little bit difference in the code. Void setup, serial begin, it is the baud rate. Blynk dot begin you have to call. Pin mode, I am using pin number 16, that is D0 pin according to the pin diagram. Then in the void loop you just Blynk run it. Then we have a variable signal state. We just use digital read from pin number 16 and we just write it over the Blynk virtual write V0. Okay, so we just use V0 and over V0 we just put the signal state and at a 1 millisecond delay. Okay, so you just need to write this code. COM is selected, baud is selected, just run it. So it will take some time. So now code is compiling. So now it is writing in the ESP controller 7%, 30%, 38%. Hardly take 1 minute in writing the code. So now code is successfully burned in the ESP8266. Now we require signal, so we just go to the hardware part. As you see right now, I just connect D0 pin. So this is my D0 pin. Over here, this is my D0. Now I just connect 3 volt signal to my D0 pin. Okay, so right now I already just reset it. So let's check what happened on the dashboard. Go to the device. Go to the device. Over here, device is online. Digital read. As you see, color is red. Let's check what happened when I just connect in place of 3 volt. So I just remove this and connect ground signal over here. So what happened? Now signal is off. So when I just connect this 3 volt signal over here, my signal is high after some delay. As you see, signal is red. So now we just see the signal over the mobile phone also. So as you see over here, this is my digital read. You just configure it, add a signal right now, add. We require a LED. So go to the LED. So this is my LED over here. You just need to select the data stream. My data stream is D0 back. So right now let's check. Right now it is connected with 3 volt. So its color is blue. Let's check what happened when I just connect the ground over here. As you see, it is off. It is in off condition. It is up to you how you show the off condition, how you show the on condition. Let's change the color of LED. So I just go to the device on the dashboard. I just edit this. I want to change the color to, let's say, orange. Okay, so let's check what happened. Save. Again, go to the device, digital read. So right now it is in off condition when I just connect it with 3 volt. So now it is glowing or it is in high state. So this is how you can read digital signal using ESP82366. You can connect any sensor that generate digital signal using this code also. Like if you want to interface IR sensor, if you want to interface LDR, if you want to interface PIR sensor, you just use this code only. So using this code you can read any digital signal using ESP8266. Thank you.